AEIOU is an easy to remember methodology for implementing and operationalizing intelligent automation in your business. And what this means is you can take in-house staff, give them the right training and tools, and they can start delivering value, whilst avoiding the common mistakes and pitfalls most automation teams face. You see, 50% of robotic process automation (RPA) and artificial intelligence (AI) projects fail, and teams struggle to scale globally. However, from our many years of research and experience working at the world's largest consulting firms, we've seen that this failure is predictable. And success in intelligent automation is predictable too. So, based on the best-selling book Business at the Speed of Bots, the AEIOU methodology takes business leaders and teams through the entire life cycle, step by step. 3 key solutions to overcome 3 core barriers to transforming your business. Through the AEIOU training portal, we provide you with a vendor-agnostic training program, tools and templates for better analysis, and a proven, repeatable, easy-to-follow process used internationally and developed by experts from Tier 1 consultancies, so that your team can start developing value and understand how to get the high ROI on investment of this technology. And it's more than just a portal. It's sort of like a COE factory where your business can onboard your in-house team of program managers and analysts, project managers on the portal, coupled with the guidance and support our expert network and consultants offer, and you can set up a center of excellence and start churning out automation solutions on demand. It's your how-to guide on setting up center of excellence teams that deliver speed, accuracy, efficiency, and huge financial savings back to your business. So click below to learn more, because good teams automate, but great teams deliver value.